Hey guys, welcome back to Marty's Review Channel. Today I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this INIU Portable Power Bank. This is the 2-pack, 10,000 milliamp battery. Stay tuned. Alright, so first off right here is the 2-pack, 10,000 milliamp battery by INIU. This is the power bank. This one right here comes with a 2-pack. This supports USB charging C. This is a 3 amp max. It's got a little paw print, so it basically tells you when it's charged. So right here, it's a unique paw print indicator. Each of the paw prints states that 20% of the battery left. High speed charging, high efficiency USB-C, convenient LED flashing. What you'll get in this box, you'll get 2 power banks, 2 travel pouches, 2 charging cables, and 2 welcome guides. So let's go ahead and open this up. And if you do have any questions, you can contact their service support team. They do have warranty on this. So if you happen to get a bad one, they will change it out for you. Right here you can see the user guide. This is your welcome guide. Basically tells you what each port is with details, instructions, how to recharge it. Alright, so up at the top we have our charging cables. This is the Type-C charging. You can actually use these power banks with any devices. It's just this one is supported for Type-C charging. So if you do have an iPhone or an iPod, iPad, or whatever, you can just connect that in via USB and these will work. So you get 2 of these ones. They do have the tops in case you're not using it. Just come off like that. And first off, we have this one, and then you have another one right here. And at the bottom, this is your travel packs. So your little carrying cases. This is a really thick mesh. It's clear see-through. You can see, so it does give a little bit of air in there in case it gets a little warm. It's got very good quality. You can see very good stitching on that. Here is your tie string to tighten it up, to loosen it up. All you gotta do is just pinch this open and close. Push it up and back. So if you're out traveling, those are pretty good to put your little charging packs in. So you get 2 of them. So this is the first one. There's a little paw print. Let's just go ahead and open it up. And this is the black one. This is a real nice soft matte. This is your in-out, your out 1, your out 2. And this does have a little flashlight. So in order to activate that flashlight, you'd have to push the power button, which is right here on the side. You just push it twice. There's a little paw button. You can't see that this is already at 75%. So once all these little fingers are full, that means the battery is completely full. If it's down to 1%, you basically got 25% battery. So if I face it down a little bit, you can see the light. It's very sleek, slim. And if you want to charge this, you would just connect the C port into an external charger. There's a flashlight, you can see. Turn it off, you just click it twice. You can see the power. Right now it's only at 75% battery. This is right out of the box. So I would suggest running this down before recharging it. So now I'm going to connect my Xiaomi Redmi Note 9. This is the blue one. We'll get into that one after I charge my phone. Again, this is a Type-C charging wire. Just plug it into your phone. You could pick either or. And then right there my phone is charging. You can see at the top, it's got the little charging logo. And you can see the other paw is blinking. That's basically the 75% that it's using. And then the more that you charge, it will go down. So now let's go into the other one, which is the blue one. This is also a matte finish. They're both matte, but they're like a soft matte. They're thin, lightweight. Again, this one has your in-out, your out 1, your out 2. You have your flashlight on the top. Try to focus in here. You can see that there's a power button. You can see that it's very sleek and slim. Again, there's another flashlight. Same with the paw. This one here is also 75%. It definitely does the trick, especially if you're out and about and you need a charger. I would definitely recommend picking up these. These are at a great price. If you're interested in this, I will link all the details in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Go ahead and hit that little notification button so you get notified every time I upload a video. Also, check me out at MarisReviewChannel.com. Thanks for watching.